no amount of gang up that will stop the innovation in Federal Ministry of Works. When we came and introduced concrete road, we got the worst fight. We didn't know who we were fighting. Even some people sitting on the table with us, they were fighting us and we didn't know. But because whatever is part of God, overcome it. And when I say any man that is anointed of God is a dangerous man. That's why I say this man is dangerously anointed. So it is important that they come to know and they will know that I am not disturbed there at all. I am a man of God. I'm committed to the affairs of the country. I'm a partner in the nation building. I support the president. I support him. Whatever you are, this mouth will not close supporting the president. Because he has taken back our country. Okay? So whatever politics you belong, the Southeast, we continue to be encouraged to support President Tinubu to do the second term. No president has ever favored Southeast like this president. And I know it's part of the attack.